Check it on the map.
Alright. So, we got a watermelon back there. We got a drone here. We're about to launch the drone. Alright. So I have a watermelon over here. I'll walk to the watermelon so you can see it. So I'm really not sure that the watermelon can actually survive a shot from this 9mm Ruger. So I'm gonna hit it with the Ruger and then I'll switch over if it survives and I'll grab the shotgun and hit it with that too. There we go. Now I shot it high. Alright, so since this one is a little, like a lot smaller, I guess I need to come a little closer, right? So I'll shoot it from this angle. I might have hit the GoPro. Whoa, where'd the GoPro go? I lost the GoPro. Oh, darn. Wait. No, really, where'd the GoPro go? Oh, nice. Yo. Ah, the GoPro tucked and rolled.